health officials are still working to accommodate Mississippians after Governor Reeves opened up vaccinations to people 65 and over and those with certain chronic health conditions. Those conditions range from cancer to a history of smoking and includes a large segment of Mississippi's population. WCBI's Stephen Pimpo talks with doctors today about the challenges that presents and joins us in the studio.
That's right, Joey. Nearly 1 million Mississippians qualify for this next round of vaccinations because of obesity alone. While more doses of the vaccine are on the way, administering them to so many people is just the latest challenge facing healthcare workers during the pandemic.
We've seen across the nation that, obesity is a huge problem with poor outcomes.
That's especially true in Mississippi. As state health officials work to administer the COVID-19 vaccine to members of the public 65 and older and those with pre-existing health conditions, they must contend with the sheer number of Mississippians living with those conditions.
History of high blood pressure and heart trouble, diabetes, obesity is a big one, history of smoking. All of those are at very high risk of having a poor outcome if they get COVID.
Around 40% of adults in Mississippi struggle with obesity, more than any other state in the U.S. Cardiovascular disease is Mississippi's leading cause of death. Baptist Memorial Hospital Golden Triangle is one of the many locations across the state that are now out of vaccines after the expansion.
When they opened it up to that group of people, it kind of, I'm not going to say overwhelmed our system, but it quickly used up our allotted vaccines.
Because I believe everybody should have access to it, and we shouldn't really control that, but at the same time you kind of have to make sure people that really need it do.
Governor Tate Reeves says Mississippi now has over 37,000 first doses of the vaccine, but Dr. Martin says the challenges don't end once those new doses arrive.
It takes a lot of manpower here at Baptist to give those, but we're looking forward to the challenge, and we'll figure out a way to vaccinate some more as soon as we get some more vaccines.
Dr. Martin says Baptist Memorial Hospital has received continuous calls to make appointments and says they have set up multiple different phone lines to field those calls. For more information on making an appointment for a dose of the vaccine, you can visit our website, WCBI.com.